Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through on how to carry out your company name reservation. Now I want you to note this: if you want to do your business name reservation or your company name reservation, the process is all the same. So you want to sit back and watch this very detailed video to help you to be able to know the whole process from beginning to the end. Now, for the purpose of many of my subscribers has been asking how to go about them starting up with their opening of accounts. So today I'm going to be running you through how to open an account with the CAC website before you can get started. So the first thing you want to do is to come to this part that you can see sign up. Now click on it. So here we're going to go with the public user. So you want to click on, it's already there. If you're an agent, you can go with the accredited agent. Also, if you're an entity, you want to open an entity account, you can actually click on the entity account here. But for us, we are going to be going for public user. So I'll click on continue. So you can see the whole process here. You're asked to input personal details. So you want to enter all those details. These are personal details. So because of the purpose of this video not to be too long, so I'll just enter it and we can get started. So you can see I'm done with the whole filling up. So when you're done, you can just click on register. So you can see they sent us a success note. A link has been sent to this particular email I created. So kindly check your email and follow the link step to confirm your email address. So this is the mail. I'll just click on the verification account here. So you come to this part, you can see click here. So you wait for it to load. So you can see email verified successfully. So now you can log into your account to continue this whole process. So just log into our account. So to log into this account, you can either log in through username, email, your phone number, or an accredited number. So I'll be entering my username. When I'm done, I'll just click on login. So now, important update, they are sending me two-factor authentication just to confirm. So you just enable it. I'll just click on enable two-phase authenticator. So now an OTP has been sent to my email. So you want to make your email handy so that you can quickly have access to it. Now paste it here. I click on submit. So now you can see. So this is how the dashboard look like. You can see everything is actually new. So this is how we want to continue our registration proper now. So mind you, before you have gotten to this place, you will have first of all created the account which we just carried out now. So when you are here, you want to click on name reservation. We are here to reserve our company reservation. So here under the business classification, you can see we have our business name. If you're registering for your business reservation, you want to click on the business name. If you are registering for company reservation, you want to click on the company. Same thing as the limited partnership and also the limited liability partnership. But in this video, we're going to be going for company. So also here, you want to click on private company limited by shares. So but the purpose of this video, we're going to be going for company. So you just continue. So now under the company information, this is where you enter your proposed name, the business name you want to reserve. So I'll just go ahead. So under the nature of business, you want to look carefully to see the nature of business that is suitable for you. So I'll just go for other service activities. Then here on the specific nature of business, you want to also go through it carefully to choose the one that best describe your business. So I'll just go for other personal service activities. Then I'll click on check availability and wait for it to load. So now this is a congratulatory note sent to us that congratulations, the proposed name is now available for registration. So you can see there's actually no big deal carrying this out. So you just want to watch this video from beginning to the end to be able to know how to carry out this whole process. So we want to click on the continue to payment. So you click on continue to payment, wait for it to load. So now look at, we are being asked to continue our payment by making payment of 500 naira. So this is the RR number. So you just want to click on the remitter button to continue the payment. So here, this is where you enter your bank transfer. You can carry out through your bank transfer, your ESSD code, or any means that is cool with you. So I'll just go ahead and make payment of 663 naira 94 kobo. You want to enter your code here, the code sent to your phone here. So when you are done inputting your code, you want to click on verify and proceed. So you wait. So we are done with our payment, but of course they didn't send us our receipt. So you want to check your dashboard here. So you click on not submitted. Then under the not submitted, you're going to find the name there. So you come to this place, you wrote action. So this is where you click on check payment status to see the status of this payment. So I'll just click on it to see that generating our information. So you can see your payment has been received, but is currently pending. You can try this action again in a few hours to get your AV code. So you just want to wait for it, and of course they are going to rectify that and they will send us our receipt. So with this, you can see there is actually no more stress in carrying out your business, your company name reservation. So if you've come this far and you've gotten value from this video, I want you to go ahead and give this video a like, share, and subscribe to this video channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless you.